So at this time of year, my Instagram and LinkedIn feed is filled with photos and videos of people chilling at their summer cottage in Finland, or even working from their summer cottage in Finland. And unfortunately, we don't have a summer cottage, but we do have a forest. Finland is actually the most forested country in Europe, and it takes me 40 minutes to drive to the office, but it takes me about 40 seconds to get to the forest. And you can see here I started this video shutting my front door, and now, after just a short walk, I am here.